Okay, and then I will solve a Leetcode question 377 combination sum. With a dynamic programming question. Basically, question is some of my numbers. Wait, and almost say how many combinations of these numbers do my target for? Right. Numbers number my here 1, 2, 3. And my target equal to 4. How many combinations of these numbers way in which my target for? The easiest way, right, to solve this question, or an approach to solve this question is we break the question way down to the smallest possible means as possible. In the event say, how many combinations of this number ever my 0? There is only one way about to combine numbers with my 0, which the only way is say numbers PR, right? Into combination ever my 0, and find they are representing say there's only one option. There's only one option, right? I know we're in a base case with this information, you bet me a solve a question moving forward, right? But see a person solve one, let's for example create an array from 0 to 4 in 0, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, right? You say a person 0. The only ways I bet you 0 I 1 pet, right? See a person 1, right? How many combinations of this number of numbers we in here combining a 1, right? Mathematically, no. See a person you share combinations of my 1. Eventually you will see C1. Mathematically, no. You have a number way, right? Maybe a person 1. Person 1 a bear C of minus 1 way, first 1 way, minus 1 way I actually way. And never be equal to C0. And what is C0? C0 is equal to 1, right? See a PC in 2, right? 2 no. 2 no be see has a into a for all a bear about be see has a into 2 2 be C, right? All the ones less than 2, all the ones less than 2, right? Into 2 minus 1 plus C 2 minus 2. And what is this? 2 minus 1 is C1 and a C 2 minus 2 is 0. C1 you know how I say 1. C0 so you know how I say C0 that 1 into the 2, right? And then so on and so forth. You C3 right? So C3 is equal to C at 3 minus 1 C at 3 minus 2 and then C at 3 minus 3. In the end, no, we know say C minus 3 a 2, C2 a 2, right? 2, c minus 3 minus 2, 1, plus 1, 3 minus 3, 0, plus 1, and that will be equal to 4. After C4, which is the answer that we are looking for itself. And be C4 minus 1 plus C4 minus 2 plus C4 minus 3. This will equal 4 minus 1, 3, which is 4 plus 4 minus 2, 2. And you see 2, no? 2. 4 minus 3, 1, you say 1. You say 7. A whole banana solution, right? Answer here 7. The number of combinations I be to my target of 4. No? This is how you get to it, right? Programmatically a bit code, no? But the main thing that you have to focus is finding the base solution. With the base minimum solution, I to make say number of ways I able to make 0 out of this na 1. Based on that, you try build the solution now. I'm a target now 4, right? In the encore is how we can write the code to show this solution. So first, make I see if I build C. Right, C now I build it what I say no. C0. If I build C from 0 to 4. So and build it that. Let's call it cache. And then the cache will be CB initializing it at 0 times target plus 1. Base case now I can't want to C at 0 no. You know is equal to 1. Right. You have to start here looping for I in range target plus 1. And now for num in nums if I is greater than or equal to nums, no, if I is greater than or equal to num, right? Then cache at I a equal to cache at I minus now. Area all we have to do is return cache at target, right? And then this will give us a solution for this problem. Hopefully I got everything right. Okay, so there are some errors here. Must spell it target, right? So target is missing an R. Yes. Into this is how you will solve the solution. First of all, focus on the base solution, which is how many combinations with my mind 0. There's only one way, right? And then later you loop it through. Numbers no. And again, as you can see, she drew 2 you only take anything above 2 no you can you better I say if I say 2 2 minus 1 and a 2 minus 2, right? 3 so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, right? it drew 4 no yeah to be every 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, so this is how you solve combination sum. All right, bye bye.